Hello and welcome to a marketing plan presentation for American Airlines. My name is Giovanni and I will be doing this presentation to fulfill the requirements for MKTU 605 Marketing Management. A marketing plan is structured and outlines a company's strategy to promote and sell its products or services. It includes several key components that help define the business environment, set goals, and establish tactics to reach targeted audiences. The 6 fundamental parts of marketing plans are an environmental scan, the SWOT analysis, a marketing mix, value proposition, positioning strategy, and the social media strategy. American Airlines is one of the world's largest, most prominent airlines, headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. It was founded in 1930, and since then it has grown into a major global carrier with an extensive domestic and international network. With its massive fleet and extension of large routes, American Airlines is placed as a significant role in the global air travel, providing connectivity across North America, Europe, Asia, South America, and beyond. The environmental scan involves analyzing external and internal factors that affect the business. It helps a business to identify and analyze factors that can impact the business, which include the opportunities and the threats. By understanding these specific opportunities and threats, it allows the business to make informed strategic decisions as changes may arise in the market or in the industry itself. As we know, the continued growth of a customer base is important in order to retain business and to ensure the success of a business. The consumer base as a whole directly impacts the revenue, marketing, and product development of the business in itself. First, let's go ahead and dive into the environmental factors that impact American Airlines, both internally and externally. Let's start with the initial factors. First is staffing. Employees keep the airline running, but crew availability is a major constraint. Pilots and flight attendants have strict work and rest limitations, so careful scheduling is essential to avoid any delays and cancellations in the operation. Next is fleet management. This is another key factor. American's tech ops and maintenance teams ensure that the aircraft safety inspections are made and any repairs that need to be conducted are also made. If recurring maintenance issues arise, they must be addressed in order to avoid any kind of disruptions. Next is operational efficiency. This ties everything together. Schedulers coordinate personnel, optimize routes, and oversee ground operations to ensure a smooth in arrivals and departures. Without these, and without the focus in this specific topic, delays can spiral out of control and negatively impact the business. Next is cost control. The management of fuel, catering, and administrative expenses is crucial. Poor financial planning has led many airlines to bankruptcy, making this a top priority for American Airlines. Finally, the IT systems. The American Airlines reservation system, known as Sabre, was an industry pioneer, but IT failures can cripple operations. Keeping technology updated is vital for efficiency and security. Now let's shift over to the external factors that shape the airline's operations. These will be on your right-hand side. Customer trends derive the route selections. So for example, popular destinations see more flights, while low-demand routes are either completely eliminated or made into a seasonal operational route. Technological advancements keep American Airlines competitive. From airline in-flight entertainment to aircraft design, staying ahead means partnering with the top manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus. Geopolitical issues can halt flights altogether. For example, most recently, the unrest in Haiti led to American Airlines suspending operations due to safety concerns. Competition is fierce, but the airline industry is governed and regulated by the government. American Airlines competes with both Delta and United, often acquiring smaller airlines to expand their market access. Weather events also play a major role. American Airlines plans ahead of storms, hurricanes, and winter conditions to help minimize the operational disruptions. And lastly, fuel pricing. This is a consistent challenge affected by global politics, supply chain issues, and labor shortages. Managing these costs is essential in order to stay profitable. In summary, the environmental scan ultimately helps American Airlines to anticipate any challenges and adapt strategies to stay competitive. Understanding these factors ensures smoother operations and financial stability. Next is the SWOT analysis of American Airlines. Looking at its strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the strengths. One of American's biggest strengths is its exclusive and extensive route network. It's the largest airline in the world so far, making travel more seamless for passengers. Another key strength is brand recognition. The name American Airlines is a well-known company globally, which reinforces through the strategic sponsorships. The hub and spoke model also works in our favor. It allows passengers to connect efficiently throughout major hubs, increasing our reach of profitability. And let's not forget the Advantage Aviator loyalty program. Through the One World Alliance, customers can also earn and redeem miles across multiple airlines, and this enhances the customer retention. Next is the weaknesses. First up are some labor issues. Pilot shortages have been a challenge in past years, as we know, but although the recent policy changes have helped in securing pilots. Next, the intense competition is another weakness. Airlines must continuously find ways to stand out in a price-sensitive market, specifically in this aviation world. Additionally, high debt levels are a common concern. While efforts to reduce debt are ongoing, it still remains a financial challenge for companies across the globe. And finally, dependence on fuel prices makes it an issue when we factor in profitability and also the operational costs of the airline. Looking at the opportunities, there's room for expansion into new markets, especially in South America and Africa. The opportunity in this section would be the post-pandemic travel boom. People are eager to fly again, which means that we are able to profit off of that demand. Tech innovations is also key. Advancements in AI and biometric security can improve efficiency and customer experience as well. Lastly, strategic partnerships. Alliances with other airlines allow us to serve more destinations without adding any more of our aircraft. Some of these partnerships could include Qantas and Alaska Airlines. And finally, I'm going to cover the threats. First, the supply chain issues. Delays in aircraft production can impact the fleet expansion. Global events like pandemics or environmental regulations also pose risks to operations and profitability. Competitor pricing is another challenge. Airlines must consistently adjust pricing strategies to stay competitive with other airlines. And finally, fuel price. Since there's no alternative to jet fuel, rising costs directly impact financial performance. American has strong advantages, but also faces significant challenges, as we saw. But by leveraging strengths and opportunities, while also mitigating weaknesses and threats, it can remain competitive in the evolving aviation industry. Next is the marketing mix, which is a focus on the 5 Ps, which are product, price, place, promotion, and people. Let's go ahead and get started with the first one, which is product. American Airlines does offer extensive domestic and international flights with multiple cabin classes. The Advantage loyalty program rewards frequent flyers with miles, upgrades, and also perks like lounge access. In-flight services include entertainment, Wi-Fi, and regional-inspired meals. So if a flight is going from the US over to South Korea, the menus on that specific flight will be catered to the destination. Moving on to price, American Airlines does use a tiered pricing strategy that is based on demand, competition, and the booking time of the airfare. Discounts, seasonal promotions, and loyalty rewards make flying more accessible, and additionally, this revenue also can increase from upgrade fees, baggage fees, and priority boarding options. Next is place. This is all about accessibility. Customers can book through websites, the mobile app, or third-party platforms like Expedia, for example. The airline operates through major hubs such as Dallas-Fort Worth, Miami, and Chicago, just to name a few, and this is while also leveraging the One World Alliance partnerships that it has for an expanded global reach. Next is promotion. American Airlines markets itself through advertising, social media, sponsorships, and public relations. From TV campaigns to sport team sponsorships, the company also is established in the community by hosting community events, and they also are big on promoting higher education. This is all shown through their social media engagement, which keeps customers informed and connected. And finally, we have people. Employees are the backbone of the airline, just like with any other company. The employees are what keeps customers coming back for more. In this example, customer service agents, flight attendants, and pilots ensure a smooth travel experience. Corporate sponsorships, like those with GlaxoSmithKline, contribute to the consistent revenue and brand loyalty with other companies. The American Airlines marketing mix essentially focuses on delivering a top-tier travel experience through quality service, strategic pricing, global accessibility, strong promotion, and also an excellent customer relations. American Airlines' value proposition is built on 3 specific core elements: exceptional service and connectivity, loyalty rewards, and customer convenience. all working together to drive customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Service and connectivity. American Airlines operates over 350 destinations in 60 countries. As a founding member of the One World Alliance, it enhances global travel by partnering with airlines like British Airways and Japan Airlines, making international connections seamless. Loyalty rewards. The Advantage program keeps customers engaged through mileage accumulation, elite status perks, and exclusive benefits like lounge access and complimentary upgrades. Frequent flyers can also redeem these miles for flights, hotels, and car rentals, which reinforces the brand loyalty. Customer convenience. This is when the mobile app, the website, and third-party platforms are used to book any kind of booking with the airline. And like I mentioned before, the corporate partnerships, such as the GlaxoSmithKline, strengthens Americans' presence in the business travel world. Customer support is available at airports, over the phone, and via the app's chat feature for quick assistance. All these come together to help American Airlines stay competitive and enhance the overall customer experience. And that's how American Airlines builds brand loyalty and customer satisfaction. Next is American Airlines positioning strategy. So before we begin, we need to focus on the premium service, reliability, and personalization of the service, which leverages the 5 Ps once again, which are product, price, place, promotion, and people, just like I mentioned 2 slides ago. And this is to help differentiate from competitors like Delta and United. The strategy ensures that American Airlines is the go-to airline for both frequent and occasional flyers by offering luxury, comfort, convenience, and value to their product. A key advantage is, once again, the Advantage Loyalty Program, which reinforces the customer trust and retention. Let's take a look at the first moment of truth. The customer's first interaction, usually through the website or through the app. We want to ensure a smooth booking process, flight customization, like for upgrades or meal options, and also offer the opportunity to earn miles to make a strong first impression. This comes with the second moment of truth, the actual travel experience. This includes on-time flights, premium in-flight services, high-quality entertainment, and exceptional customer care that comes from our flight crews. So using the 5 Ps, we shape our positioning once again. First, I'm going to talk about the product. Multiple services and classes, quality food, premium lounge access, and in-flight entertainment. Price, we offer competitive and flexible pricing, discounts for budget travelers, and premium options for high-end customers. Place, we offer a easy booking channel via website, app, and third-party platforms, ensuring convenience. Promotion, traditional and digital marketing, such as social media campaigns and Advantage loyalty incentives. People, the frontline employees, such as pilots, flight attendants, and customer service representatives, are the ones who define the customer experience with the company. The strategy is visually represented in this slide through a compass, with each of the 5 Ps contributing to the central goal, which is a move in the right direction. And that's how we create a winning positioning strategy for AA. My American Airlines social media strategy combines internal and external tactics to promote the new in-flight experience build brand awareness, and also engage with customers. I'll focus on 4 key approaches. First are targeted ads. We'll run paid campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Google to help reach business travelers, corporate executives, and also leisure flyers. These specific ads will highlight gourmet food, a redesigned seating option, and upgraded in-flight entertainment to drive bookings. Next is influencer partnerships. We'll collaborate with travel influencers like Chris Buckard, Muhad Usman, and The Blonde Aboard to showcase the luxury travel experience. For those of you who don't know who these people are, they are essentially known luxury travel bloggers on YouTube, and therefore they have a trusted voice that will help enhance the credibility and expand our reach. Third would be the user-generated content. This will help encourage customers to share their experience using hashtags like hashtag fly first class with AA or hashtag elevate your journey. The featured posts on our official web pages will help build a community for brand advocates as well. And finally, the interactive engagement and customer feedback. We'll host live Q&A sessions on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, while customer service teams will also use Twitter and Facebook to help provide real-time support, and this would strengthen the relationships between passengers and the company itself. The strategy is visually represented by showcasing a flight attendant and a pilot who are shown being very friendly and open for engagement. Through this comprehensive social media approach, we'll engage travelers and successfully introduce our new premium experience to everyone who is a valid customer of American Airlines and also any potential customers of American Airlines. Thanks so much for watching and listening to my presentation. This will conclude my presentation for my marketing plan for American Airlines in enhancing a premium travel experience. This was made for MKTU 605 Marketing Management. These next 2 slides will showcase the references used in facilitating me in this presentation, alongside with references to the assignments for MKTU 605, and also the reference to all the graphics that were used in my presentation today. Thank you.